Good evening, everyone. I warmly welcome you to SAP Custos. This evening, I'm going to introduce us all to one search engine, which is really helping a lot. This search engine is called the OpenAI or ChatGPT. Now, it works unlike you having a chat with your friend, you asking your friend a question, then your friend would respond. Without wasting my time, let's quickly look at how this system really works. In my instance, I'm going to use Chrome, so I'll open my browser, and then in my taskbar, at this side, I would enter my address. Now the address, you enter chat.openai.com. chat.openai.com. It's an artificial intelligence, so that's how it you have the AI in there. Chat.openai.com. So then I would load. Okay, so that's the home page. So now, since we are all new here, we are going to sign up. So you click sign up. Now with the sign up, if you have a Google account, it's going to be very simple for you. Just log in with or sign in with your Google account. So I will just ignore where they've entered they've written email address. So I'll just come down here and then I'll select continue with Google. Okay, so I'll select that, and then I'll choose my Google account that I would like to continue this system with. So I'll select my Google account. Wait for some few seconds for it to process. Wow, oh la la, my ChatGPT is ready. So you can choose to read all these stuffs, which is giving you some what this ChatGPT is all about, its capabilities, and then its limitations too. Okay, so now down here, where they've written the send message, you can see this, there is an icon over there. So in there, you are going to type your question. So now I want to ask my new friend ChatGPT, what is a metal? What is a metal? And then I would enter send. The send is here. Sorry, the send is at this side. I believe you all can see from the arrow. That's good. So I'll enter send. So now let's see what my ChatGPT will tell me. So my friend is typing. This friend is a very fast typer. Okay, so it's done. So what is a metal? It says metal is a class of element characterized by their high electrical and thermal conductivity, malleability, ductility, and typically a shiny appearance. Okay, so now I have this bunch of information for me on metals. Now let's take what they've written here. I'm not satisfied with it. I want them to rewrite them in different words for me. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select this icon down here at the right hand corner, below. Okay, so I'm going to select this icon, this reload icon. Now when you click on this icon, all that they wrote for you, they are going to rewrite them in different ways, but it may probably have the same idea. So I would select that, then I'll see that ChatGPT will rewrite everything in different words, but probably same idea for me. So now this one is even more simplified than the first one. This one is saying a metal is a chemical element that is typically solid at room temperature, shiny, malleable, ductile, and a good conductor of heat, or good conductor of electricity and heat. You see, they've written it in other ways. Now, if you want to go back to the first one to make comparison, you can select the arrow here, the arrow that points to the left. Then it will take you to where the it will take you to the first one. So the first one, which was saying that a metal is a class of elements characterized by their high electrical and thermal conductivity, malleability, ductility, and typically a shiny surface. And then I'll see what the second one was saying. So I'll click that same place, that by this time at the right side. That one to the second one, it rules a metal is a chemical element that is typically solid at room temperature, shining, malleable, ductile, and a good conductor of electricity and heat. Now you see it's the same idea but different words. This ChatGPT is very good. Now with the ChatGPT, after they've written all this, you can choose to copy it and then maybe paste it somewhere, add it to your notes or your presentation. So with that one, you just select this icon down here. Now let's follow the arrow and see this icon down here. That's the copy button. Then you can copy and then go and paste it elsewhere. Now let's ask ChatGPT something else. Let's say, what is the formula for force? Oh, sorry, I couldn't enter the S well. But better still, since I'm artificial intelligence, it will know what I was trying to say. Now it says the formula for force is given by Newton's second law of motion. That's F is equal to M times A. Then it says F represents the force measured in newtons, and M represents the mass of an object measured in kilograms. That's kg. And A represents the acceleration of the object measured in meter per second squared. So this chat GPT it can do everything for you. You can even ask a question about Ghana, and then chat GPT is going to help you out. So let's take who is the president, or who is, let's come a little bit down, who is the king of the Ashanti Kingdom? The Ashanti Kingdom. Let's see. Okay, as Manlage cut off in September 2021. The king, Ashanti king of the Ashanti Kingdom, is Otunfo Osei Tutu II. He ascended the throne in 1990 and then a whole lot. So he's just giving us. So the chat GPT is just telling us its limit, that as at September 2021, he knew that the Ashanti king was Otunfo II. So that's one limitation of it. Sometimes with history and other stuff, it will just be sincere to you that me, as at this time, this is what I know. Yeah, so that's how the chat GPT works. And then its features. Now, if you have any question on it, you can just let me know and then I'm going to guide you on it. So let's keep on practicing with chat GPT, and then it's going to help alongside our Google and all other search engines. We can also add up chat GPT to our search engines. Thank you and have a wonderful evening. Bye.